आपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरति निर्विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः लक्ष्मीतनोतु नितरामितरानपेक्षं मङ्गलद्वयं निगमशाकिशिखाप्रबालं हैरम्बमम्बुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिक्रमविघ्नाद्रिभेदशतधारतुरन्दरन् सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So we are going to have an abhyasa session for Varna Vichara, the one that we just finished. So anybody who are willing to participate, please raise your hand so that we can go through this material. All you have to do is identify the Varnas. Hari Om. Shruyate va?
Yes, Maude.
श्रूयते महोदय.
So what is the first Varna?
अ ह्रस्व अ
Ha.
swara it is.
Ha. Now, better to say it with the Hraswa or Dirgha because we have learned that as well. Hraswa. Okay. Next one. And that would be
Dirgha.
Dirgha. Okay. So we will keep that in mind. Next. Yes, Kashmira Bhagini.
Raswai.
Hraswa E. You can continue with the whole set.
Dirghai. Yes.
Dirgha E.
A, I, U. Raswa, Dirgha, and Raswa.
Next.
Then is U, Dirgha, and R, Raswa,
Hraswa.
R, Dirgha, Il. How do you
R. More
pronounce
R
exactly?
than U.
R. Okay.
R.
Okay.
R is what? Hraswa or Dirgha?
It's only one, Raswa.
Hraswa. Here we do not have Dirgha. Yes. Next.
A, Raswa.
No. A does not have
Yes.
Hraswa. Only Dirgha.
Okay.
Okay. So it is always
Okay.
A.
It's always A, Dirgha.
Always Dirgha. And what we need to understand is I is A plus E. It's a combination of these two words. And I is also going to be always Dirgha. So
no Raswa.
No Raswa. Next one.
O, Raswa.
No Raswa. O also no Raswa. Always Dirgha.
Yeah.
Okay. And Au. A plus O.
So Dirgha.
Always Dirgha.
Always Dirgha.
This is the speciality of the Varnas in Sanskrit. Next is Am is what? Hraswa or Dirgha?
Is A plus Im. Raswa.
Hraswa. Aha?
Raswa.
Hraswa. But here, what is the speciality of aha?
The Visarga at the end. Visarga.
Visarga. Both of them are Hraswa. That means they take short time. Okay. So now, what is the time taken to pronounce these Varnas?
Raswa is 1 matra kala and Dirgha is 2 matra kalas.
Okay, very good. What about aha? Visarga?
Aha. It is 2 matra kalas.
No, it is half matra kala.
Aha, is it? Aha.
It's
Ah,
not aha. It is ah.
ah.
Ah. That's all.
But in shlokas, we say it as aha, no? Like Bhagavad Gita
No,
shlokas.
no. That we have taken it for the sake of chandas. We have to consider certain things. No, so we consider that as a full syllable. So therefore, we are
Okay,
taking it that way. Because when we are doing
okay.
Laghu Guru,
So
the bifurcation comes into only two parts. Then we always take the last Varna as Guru and therefore we drag it. And actually, it is not right. That is the reason there are Ashtabhedas for Aha. 8 forms of changes it happens. So for some, it becomes Okara. So
Okay.
you will see some cases what happens is Vachaha becomes Vacho if we are not taking a pause. If there is no.
yes,
So that is
yes, Maharaj.
Aha getting O Bhava. This is called as. Then there
Okay.
are some places where it gets U Bhava. Then there are some places where it gets a Jihva Muliya. Then there are some places where you get a Upadmaniya. So like this, there are 8 different variations of Visarga. So that when we look at shlokas only, we'll be able to identify. This is from Pani Shiksha Shastra, completely different. But that is the variations that we find in Aha. So when we are learning the Varna, it is Ah. It is not Aha, it is Ah. Astu.
So that is half matra kala.
Half Matra Kala. Yes. Yes, Vyanjana Aksharani. All these were swaras. Yes, anybody interested to chant the identify the Vyanjana Aksharas? Yes, Rajeshwari Shivshankar Bharini.
First is Kha,
Ha,
then Mahaprana Kha,
okay. So first one is what?
then
This is
Raswa,
Mahaprana. Ha, if it is Mahaprana, it is
Dirga.
Alpa Prana.
Okay, okay.
Alpa
This is
Prana,
Alpa Prana, this is
Karkash,
Mahaprana.
ha,
Karkash Alpaprana.
ha. So
What is that, sir? For
these
Parkas.
two, first two you are seeing here, no? All
Yeah,
these Vyanjanas are called as Karkasha Vyanjanas.
Karkasha.
Karkasha. Because when we say it, no, it
Mm.
creates a gharshana over here. Kh, ch,
Uh,
th. Some sound inside, it creates one change. It creates a rough sense.
okay.
These are Mrudu Vyanjanas.
Mrudu.
Mrudu. Ga. So when you say it also, it's very soft. There is no friction over here. So these are easier to say. Okay. Further in between these two, the first one is Alpa Prana. Second one is Mahaprana.
Mahaprana. Mahaprana.
In the Mrudu Vyanjanas also, the first is Alpa Prana.
Alpa Prana, second is Mahaprana.
This is Mahaprana. Again,
Mm.
the last one, the question is for Anuswara, is
That
it
mm.
Alpa Prana or Mahaprana?
Alpa Prana. Na?
It is Alpa Prana only.
Mm.
You don't need much effort to see. Understanding is very, very simple. Alpa Prana doesn't require forceful expulsion of air. That's all. Mahaprana, it it requires.
Mm.
You can if I keep a hand over my mouth, I can see the forceful expulsion hitting my palm. So that is how we identify. So what are the varnas now? What are the varnas?
क
Hmm.
ख
Hmm.
ग
Gha. Mm.
Hmm.
घ
Kha. Hmm.
क ख ग ख ng क ख ग ख ng.
Hmm. So how do we?
Mahodaya, Varnas means it is letters, is it? Varnas means letters.
Varnas and
Okay.
aksharas are similar. Varnas
Varnas
and
means,
aksharas similar.
okay. I didn't understand. That is why I was keeping mum. Varnas is letters. Okay.
Varnas means letters. Varnas,
Okay.
aksharas, aksharani, both of them are equal.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Astu. Next
So
one.
can I read the second one then?
Yeah, go ahead.
Now I understood what is Varnas.
Ha.
Cha, Alpa Prana,
Ha.
Cha,
Ha.
Mahaprana,
Ha.
Ja,
Hmm.
Alpa Prana,
Hmm.
Jha,
Hmm.
then last is Nya.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now, understand this. Kavarga is represented through which letter?
क
No,
Who?
through which in
K
sutras? It is
who
represented through who?
who
Who?
It is, sir, I didn't, when it is represented by ku means what is that?
Which means in sutras, whenever we find this ku, we have to take into consideration all the 5 letters of Kavarga.
Okay.
Like for example, there is a sutra called Akuha Visarjaniyam Kantaha. Okay. Akuha Visarjaniya. It says Akuha, which means what? Akara. All right. Ku means Kavarga, all the 5 letters of Kavarga, and then Hakara. All 3 of them originate in Kantha. Kantha.
Okay.
This is the meaning. So now what we need to understand the difference in these 5. The rest we will be able to do. Namananam. How do we say it? Ka, ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, nga. I should not put any obstacle between kantha and my mouth for nga. Nga and nya. That's all. There shouldn't be any hindrance because this is kantha directly originated and it should not be obstructed anywhere. Then ichuyeshanam talu. Here again, how is chavarga represented? Chavarga is represented by what letter and how?
chu
Shu.
Ichu. Yes.
Ichu. So in sutras, whenever we find chu, all the 5 letters of chavarga should be considered. So now I, chu, ya, sha, nam. Nam is Shashti Bahuvachana. Talu. Talu is when we have our mouth like this is our kantha. This is the top of our roof of our mouth. Here we have the danta. Just after this, we have what? We have a hard palate. Hard palate. Okay. And then we have the soft palate. Ichu, it touches this hard palate. This is called as talu. Talvadi. Usually all these sthanas are called as talvadi sthanas. Okay, this is murtha. So now what we need to understand, cha, the tongue touches this hard palate. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, nya, will come. The tongue is touching this particular hard palate. Okay. So now the next varga is
Ta varga.
tavarga.
Tavarga.
Tavarga represented through
Two, okay?
2.
Two.
Take the first letter of the varga, add u to it, it will give you all the letters. Okay.
When in that case, no, what I'm saying is in every this one varga, we should add u only to it
U to
because
it. Hmm.
oh yeah,
Hmm.
because ka also have added ku, cha
Hmm.
also ku, and ta also ku.
Hmm.
Okay.
So next one is tavarga will be
Ta, tu,
2. Pavarga will be
pu.
O. So the representation is like this only. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this can we
Mahodaya,
read out all the
sir,
three vargas?
sir, this is basic for me. Why? What is the need to add only the letter ku to it?
No, it is not a letter O to it or anything like that. So what happens is, see, let us understand the basics of Vyakarana. For Vyakarana, we have three granthas. Three main people have explained this Vyakarana to us because there are several kinds of Vyakaranas. There are 8 kinds of Vyakaranas that Samskrita as a bhasha has evolved from, not one person. 8 people have given it, 8 systems. Aindram, like that. There are 8 different people. Currently, we do not have the first 7 systems. Indra had given one, Brihaspati had passed it on. Like that, there are different ones. Only person who the Shastras say knows all the 8 forms is Anjaneya. He is the only one who knew all the 8, it seems. This is given, I think, in Valmiki Ramayana. Rama introduces him. When they meet in Kishkinda Kanda, Rama introduces Hanuman as a Pandita, as somebody who knows all the 8 forms of Vyakarna. This Vyakarna, what we study for us, was given to us by Panini Maharshi. पाणिनि महर्षि येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. So Panini Maharshi, what he did, he saw all these things. This was there long back. I'm not even talking about prehistoric over here. It has evolved so many times that we don't even know how this came about. That is the reason it is difficult. See, all the Vedas, it is said to be Anadi. We don't know where it came from. Samskrita is the Vedas are written in Sanskritam, so we don't know how Sanskrit also came about. How old? There are many theories. Now, Panini Maharshi had to explain this Vyakarna in a proper format. What do I mean by proper format? He had to explain who is the first person, who is the second person, how do we decide what form should come for first person, what kind of form should come for second person. Like this, he had to come up with a system. Like that, there are 8 systems. Before him, there were so many, but they were all lost over time. But Panini's, what we are studying today, it is very much intact, and it is so flexible that despite translations, many changes, it is there. How it is like that is because he has represented it, all the changes, all the rules through some sutras. Okay, for the purpose of direction within the sutras. Like, for example, when I say this akuha visarjaniyam kantaha, what are they trying to say? They are trying to say visarjaniyam means niskasha, it coming out. Okay, a has to be given, kavarga has to be given. So if I add kavarga over there, then that varga gets repeated in every sutra. Okay, a kavarga, ha, visarjaniyam, kantha. Like that it will come. If I put kavarga, then it is pratama vibhakti only. Because it is collective noun, no? All right. Same way, what happens? This word Varga gets repeated everywhere in every sutra. Panini Sutra's speciality is that he doesn't repeat the direction anywhere. He doesn't repeat the unnecessary things anywhere. It is very precise because the sutra Lakshana itself is Saravat. It is. So we will at some point of time we will understand what the sutras are because it requires a lot of preface. Only for the sake of presentation, he had to come up with something to symbolize this. We understand this is Kavarga. How do I symbolize it? For that, he chose Ka plus U. And we are following it. It is not that why can't it be Ki? Maybe it can be. But he has selected U. This is what we call as Upadesha. He has given this. There is no particular reason why it can't be E or Ko or anything like that. But he has selected this and he has used this in his sutras. So we are going to use it. That's all. I hope it
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
is.
ಮಹೋದಯ.
Ha,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ. Understood.
ha. Astu. Can we identify all the varnas of these three? Tavarga, Tavarga, Pavarga. Can we chant?
आम् महोदय।
Hmm.
ट ठ ड ध ण मूर्धन्य।
Hmm.
त थ द ध न दन्त।
Danta.
प फ ब भ म ओष्ठ।
Osta. Astu. So these are called as collectively what? Vargiya Vyanjanas. So the next part is Avargiya Vyanjanas. So in Avargiya Vyanjanas, how many do we have? We have a total of 8. Okay. So this are called as, can we, anybody can answer? Here, R, L, V. What are they called as?
They are semi-vowelish. What are they called?
Huh?
They are semi-vowel kind of
No, no.
letters. I know what you're asking.
uh,
The proper word term for
the
it, no?
proper word for it. They are called as Antastha.
Antastha.
Huh.
Yes.
Okay. So they are
This
called as
anta,
Antastha. Antastha.
uh,
An,
antastha.
uh,
Okay.
an.
What exactly does that
Anteshta.
mean?
No, 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 no.
Antastha? Why is it Antastha?
Antastha.
Yeah.
Antastha. Okay. All right. So they are called as, okay. Keyboard clues. Fine. We will. Yes. This is
Yeah.
Antastha. And what is the next?
Ushmanda.
Huh?
Ushmana.
Ushmana.
Ushmanda.
Saha.
Ushmana.
Ushmanda.
Yes. Ushmana. So in your first this thing itself, in the chart that has been given, na, there you will get the understanding of it. It is very clear. Ush.
Mahodaya, that kavarga, chavarga and all, we'll put from where the sound comes, like you said, oshta, this one, kanta. So
Ah,
can you put that so that I'll note it in my notebook later?
see, here looks place, huh? It is in the chart.
Okay, okay. If it is in the chat, okay,
It
okay,
is in
Mahoday,
the
I'll
chart.
note it.
The sthana is already given in the chart. No need to
Okay.
worry about it. Okay. So this we were talking about Antastha and then Ushmana. What they are.
Shaktisprishtaha.
hmm. So
It's like
those
from
are
that.
efforts. Those are efforts.
Oh,
Basically, as how do we? Okay, I will find the English equivalent of Antastha and Ushmana, and I will post it. These two are the
it's
variations.
there in the it's there in the chat now. The semi
No, no,
vowels.
no. Semi-vowels. That is not the meaning. Antastha has a meaning. Antastha basically has an ending. I will find the equivalent for
Okay.
English over there. So these two are the Avargiya Vyanjanas. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Now these are what with respect to prana, these are Alpa Pranas. They also have Alpa Prana. Okay. And sh, sh, sa are hard. They are karkasha because there is garshana again, friction. So this is again karkasha vyanjanas. Ha, however, is a mrudu vyanjana. Okay. So, but all of them, that is ushmanas, are all mahapranas. So now we have to understand the bifurcation. So first bifurcation is how much air we are going to exhale. Based on this prana, we get alpa and mahaprana. Okay. Based on whether the flow of air is smooth or obstructed, we have karkasha vyanjana or we have mrudu vyanjana. Only for vyanjanas. This is only for vyanjanas, all of them. Okay. Then, based on similarity in arrangement, we have Vargiya Vyanjana, Avargiya Vyanjana. All right. So we have three labeling for all the Vyanjanas. Now we look at a few questions. Maybe we can answer it and then we will be able to move forward. Yes. Answer the following. Let us have a look at it. I will translate it for you. Ka varge kati aksharani santi. Ka varge.
Five.
Ha,
Five.
5. So we will
Ka,
understand the
ka, ka,
question
ka,
because
ka.
we will understand the question because I don't want to where you're not available to read the question, and that is the reason. Varge, varge. This is saptami ekavachana. Okay, varge. It is usually translated as in. All right, kavarge, in kavarga. All right, kati. Kati means it is translated to be how many.
How many?
How many. So this is one of the words that we are going to come across. There are five different question words that we have to understand. So first we are learning is kati. Kati means how many. All right. Next, aksharani. There we learnt what is akshara. Aksharani is
Letters, no? Letters.
letters. Yes. So this is plural. Bahuvachana.
Yes, letters.
Aksharani. Okay. Santi. Are there. Okay. Basic translation. So we got the answer as 5. So how do we translate this word 5, it won't sound nice, right? For the sake of answering, we should have the same this thing. So how do we do that? Kavarge kati aksharani santi. Kavarge panchaksharaणि सन्ति. कवर्गे कति अक्षराणि सन्ति? कवर्गे panchaksharani santi. 5 is pancha. Okay. Next. Chavarge tritiyam aksharam kim? Here the question word is kim. Kim means
what na?
What? Kim means what? Cha, ja. So ja, which ja?
Raswa.
Haswa. That means this ja. Okay. So again, how do we put it into this format? Chavarge tritiyam aksharam jakaraha. Jakaraha. Okay. So now we have to understand, to indicate individual syllable, we add this kara. Om kara, jakara, akara, hakara, etc. Okay. Then next,
The
tavargasya.
visarga required, Mahoday, is the visarga required? Jakaraha asti, only jakara asti.
Jakaraha. We are answering it in
Visarga is
Sanskritam,
required.
no? Jakaraha.
I had that doubt actually. That's all.
Jakaraha. Visarga is important over here. Visarga indicates prathama vibhakti over here.
Okay. So jakaraha asti.
Jakaraha. Okay. Next.
Pratama matlab that is first person, is it?
No. Not first person. Prathama is the first vibhakti. There are 7 vibhaktis. We will go to that. We will practice that. Okay. First we will get into it. Is a type of classification. It is a Namapada classification. We have Abhijit. Doing something, it changes, no? The name, continuous tense and all those things, it comes, no? Therefore, like that. So, tavargasya dvitiyam aksharam kim?
Tha.
Ha.
Varge dvitiya aksharam tha asti. Thakaraha asti. Sorry, thakaraha asti. Yes.
We will conclude the class because the meeting is about to end. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण मही महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.